The Lamentation of Owen Roe O'Neill by O'Carolan in G minor. So this tune will serve as a nice, gentle introduction to the key of G minor, which is a counterintuitive key on the C-sharp D box when you first start it, shall we say. And the tune is in E Dorian, if you like, but it also modulates into true G minor. So the scale for this tune is G, A, B flat, C natural, D, most of the time E natural, F natural, which is here, and then G up here. And we'll need our F natural down here. And occasionally, instead of playing the E natural, we'll play E flat, which is on the same button as our F natural. So if I just go through the tune fingering wise. The other thing about G minor in general is it seems to be a lot of pushing and pulling. There's not much to smooth it out. There's no magic notes to smooth things out. And your fingers, especially here, you've got G, A, B flat, C, D. Everything is very close together on the two rows. Mostly one note per button. So here we go, the first part. You could play this as slow as you like. Straight up the scale. Come down, start the scale on B flat. A lot of toing and froing here. And the second part. Instead of playing two Ds, you play back to the E flat. Now that is a sudden F sharp, sudden major third. That's called a tierce de Picardie, third of Picardy. Now Carolan probably wouldn't have been able to do that because I don't think he had levers on his harp, so he wouldn't be able to throw an accidental in like that, but we can just for a bit of fun, a bit of anachronistic fun. So have a go at that tune, and we'll look at some more G minor tunes later. I think you'll enjoy the excursion.